So one of the things that got me into chemistry, besides explosions, was pretty colors. So let's do some pretty colors. Here is some what we call ferric nitrate or iron 3 nitrate. It's the iron 3 ion. Iron often has many different colors. And you can see this actual iron solution has no color at all. But perhaps you like something colored. So to it, I'm going to add some just table salt solution, sodium chloride, and let's see what happens. I don't know if you can see it very well. I'll put it on a white background, but it's gone from no color to a yellow color. But maybe you don't like yellow. So to it I'm going to add some potassium, a solution of potassium thiocyanate.
Oh.
And that's a very, very dark red color. Sometimes we call it blood red. I don't know if you like colors. Well, obviously, that didn't woo you, so let's woo you with something else. Here I have some nickel chloride. As you can see, it's very green. We'll put some in this little beaker here, this little flask. And maybe you don't like green. You can see this is green. Maybe you don't like green. Maybe you like blue. To that, I just added a solution of ammonia, regular old household ammonia. And now you have blue. These kind of transition metals are the causes of color in many rocks and gemstones and minerals.
I have a question.
Yeah.
So why when iron rust does it only like turn that red?
That's when it combines. Well, let's take a look. You want to see iron rust? We can make iron rust. So let's go back to our iron that has no color. So you didn't like red or yellow for the iron. You wanted to see iron rust. Well, I'm going to make some iron rust.
Oh,
There you go, kind of orangey. Oop.
what are you putting in that?
A little ammonia again. Iron rust really is just iron hydroxide that's wet, so it has that orangey color, which is kind of related to the yellow one. Okay. And my last color change for today is I have some copper nitrate, copper 2 nitrate. And again, you can see this is a blue color. A lot of, that's very common for copper in solution to be blue. Okay, we have a nice blue color. And if you go to a lake near a copper mine, it'll be a beautiful blue, but it's not because it's clean, it's because it's full of copper, which is fairly toxic to most. Now I'm going to add some hydrochloric acid. And I think you've seen, we have this green color now.
It looks like fluorescent.
Almost. This is actually a patina. If you ever look at a copper roof in the like old state buildings, capitals, you'll have that green patina. And that's what you're getting, actually reaction with the chloride ion. And of course, maybe you don't like that color green. So to it, I'm going to add some ammonia.
Oh.
And we're back to a deeper blue.
Wow. Yeah, blue.
That's almost purple.
Yeah, it's a really deep blue, isn't it? Yeah. So that's another reason I got into chemistry was because of colors.